Question 8 of the term 2 control test. So here we go. An eggshell contains calcium carbonate and impurities. An excess amount of a standard dilute acetic acid solution of concentration 0.5 moles per decimeter cubed and a volume of 25 centimeters cubed is allowed to react completely with an eggshell of mass 5.6 grams. So in other words, the acetic acid is my limiting reactant. The equation for the reaction is given, so there's our equation. With the second experiment, it was determined, I'm going to go back on that. The acetic acid isn't the limiting reactant, the eggshell is the limiting reactant, okay? With the second experiment, it was determined that 0.0242 moles of acetic acid remained unreacted, okay? So they do the experiment more than once. They take the same standard solution, they do the experiment, and then they work out how much acetic acid they've got left over. That means that is my limiting reactant. And then they say, calculate the percentage of calcium carbonate in the eggshell. Okay? We think we have 5.6 grams. Theoretically, we have 5.6 grams. We need to find what we actually have. There's more than one way to do this. This is the simplest way, though. What we need to know is how much calcium carbonate actually reacted. I can work that out by looking at these two values. So initially, for the calcium carbonate, okay, the number of moles of the acetic acid, is going to be concentration times volume. Remember, concentration is number of moles of a volume. I'm using the acetic acid because that's the thing I know. All right, I'm wanting to work out the calcium carbonate. So I had 0.5 moles, volume of 0.25. Remember, it's got to be in decimeters cubed. So initially, I had 0.125 moles. Once the reaction's finished, I have 0.024 left over. So I need to find out how much reacted. Okay, so what I have for reacted is going to be the number of moles of CH3 again. COOH is going to be what I started with minus what I'm left with, 0.1008. That is how much reacted with the calcium carbonate. Now I need to know how much calcium carbonate actually reacted. So now I'm going to go calcium carbonate. And I'm going to take this and do the mole ratio. So I'm going to times by what I'm going to take the 0.1008 times by 1 over got 2. 1 over 2. That means I only reacted 0.05004 moles of calcium carbonate. That's going to help me find the molar, what mass of the eggshell was calcium carbonate, because now I'm going to find the mass, which is number of moles times molar mass, 0.0504. Calcium is 23, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. So that, and I think I'm wrong with the calcium, I'm just doing this out of my head. Calcium is 40 as I was writing it. It's 40, it's never going to give you 100, so that's 100, and 100 times my value means I've got 5.04 grams. So of the 5.6 grams, okay, only 5.04 is actual calcium carbonate. So my percentage calcium carbonate is the 5.04 that I actually had divided by the 5.6 that I thought I had times by 100, and it's 90%. Okay? Not so bad. There's obviously more than one way to do it, but this is the simplest. Okay?